What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We back with some more Dashcam. This time we're in Sweden. Came across this video. We got truckers Dashcam in Sweden. We got crazy drivers versus truck. We finna check this out. These definitely be interesting. Checked out a car crash compilation the other today, and it's different, man. It's different, but we finna check this out in Sweden, which is different simply because the transportation system. So I don't get to see too much driving because I see the other options that they have for transportation. But let's check it out, see what it's about. Let's jump into it. Oh my God, look at all that snow. Going pretty fast. I got them good tires. Oh, dang. Oh snap. Why do y'all stop like that?
Sissel Martinsen står på fastlandet och ser ut att göra färjan komma körande förbi henne. Helt fel väg.
Dang.
Den kom plötsligt körande förbi oss.
They flew by them. Turning. Oh snap. They had their blinker on, but they tried to speed up and get in front of them. Dang. Crazy.
Nu hörde inte vad jag sa när jag var klocka samtidigt här. Vad sa du?
I wonder if they have, they don't have caption. Are we cutting like right in front of these truckers, man? Dang. Slipping and sliding. Uh-oh. Look at all this. Man, that's some... Oh, no, no. Dang. I hated driving in snow. When we get snow, it's the worst thing to drive in. Like, you gotta go super slow. He was handling that thing, though. Truckers be handling them things. Oh, no, no, no. What the Hannah Montana playing? That was gonna be bad. And he's still slanging that thing. Truckers be driving through any type of weather, man. They good, they cold, they good. Oh my gosh. What are they doing? They lucky that road wasn't covered in ice and snow. Not that a deal. Violent. This person, what are they doing? They drunk or something. Nah, they could be texting. Oh no, no, no. Interesting song choice. They put the wrong blink. Yeah, they drunk. They put the wrong blinker on and everything to go to the left.
Ett av årets stora släpp får vi ändå säga. Easy on me med Adele. Det är ju tid för sånt där.
Oh my God.
Radiohuset i Stockholm. Här är 10-7.
So let's speed up the
I de här fallen så är det alltså franska katolska präster som är förövare.
What the? Yeah, you definitely don't see that every day. I ain't never seen nobody walk on the freeway like that on the side. That's probably the most dangerous thing you could do. That is crazy.
BMW mode. Activate.
BMW mode. Oh my gosh. That thing got up though. Dang, all this snow. I need to see a slip and slide compilation now. Oh, I know it's hard to stop on that ice. Gosh, that would have been bad. Oh, I know it's hard to stop on that ice and snow. Going back a couple of minutes later. Uh-oh. Oh my God. They went way past the stop sign. That's not a good intersection point. That is craziness. Oh no! Oh man. That would have been bad. The sun out though in January. That's a good thing. In Sweden. You should keep to the right, but he floating this truck. Oh man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm that person. I pass the truckers because I don't like being beside them. They jamming on here though. Oh my gosh, that looked like the same car. That looked like the same car in the last clip. Hey, clear view. Let's see how clear it is. Somebody coming. This road looks small. He'll be coming out of nowhere. He is flying. Uh-oh. Dang. This though. Oh, an angel. Wow. Keep it covered up. Keep it protected. It look peaceful out there, man. Quiet and peaceful. Oh. Sorry, I know there's not. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think this is a part of the. I was just doing the trucking portion of it. But this look nice though. I don't even know where. Let me see. Oh yeah, I guess he in Sweden. Gotta be in Sweden still. Maybe he
One could really imagine a horse.
Oh, okay, he talks.
Wagon coming up here and with some fancy folk turning around here. An entrance through this marvelous place.
I didn't know what this was at the. This is nice though. Very historic looking right
I guess
here.
the very rich. And possibly not that famous lift, but
I wonder what is this
I
place?
think having a party out there. It's the evening.
He said a party.
Some candlelights, some good beers. Maybe a bottle of wine, some potatoes, a steak, some good company.
It sound cold because he's sniffling, so it gotta be still January in there.
Yep. Maybe in another life.
Okay. I guess that's it. I was like, what? I guess that was it for the trucker dash cam. But I mean, we got to see a beautiful Sweden. A little scenery. I don't know where that was in Sweden, but it was nice. It's nice. But hey, definitely gotta be careful on this road, man. I think after watching these type of videos about drivers and stuff, or just dash cam videos, I've been out here trying to be a better and safer driver, man. I ain't gonna lie. I've been out here trying to, be my best, do my best, and drive safely out here. But definitely enjoy this. I just came across this because I've been doing dash cam in Australia. So, let me check it. Somebody recommended I check out Russian dash cam, so I'm gonna do that as well. But I had to check this out because I'm like, let me see what we got around here. But that's all I have for this video. Y'all hit that subscribe button, send down those recommendations, and y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.